10 natural veggies to combat elevated creatinine levels. Elevated creatinine levels in the blood can indicate kidney dysfunction or impaired kidney function. While medical treatment is often necessary to manage this condition, incorporating certain vegetables into your diet may help support kidney health and lower creatinine levels naturally. Here are 10 natural veggies to combat elevated creatinine levels. 1. Cucumber. Cucumber is a hydrating vegetable with high water content, making it an excellent choice for maintaining kidney health. It is also low in potassium, making it suitable for individuals with kidney issues. Cucumbers are rich in antioxidants and nutrients like vitamin C and manganese, which may help protect kidney function and reduce inflammation. 2. Carrots. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that supports kidney health. They are also low in potassium and phosphorus, making them kidney-friendly. Carrots contain compounds called polyacetylines, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may help lower creatinine levels. 3. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and fiber. These nutrients contribute to overall kidney health and may help lower creatinine levels. Bell peppers are also low in potassium, making them suitable for individuals with kidney disease. Incorporating bell peppers into your diet can provide antioxidants that protect kidney cells from damage and inflammation. 4. Spinach. Spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green vegetable that is beneficial for kidney health. It is high in vitamins A and C, as well as iron and magnesium. Spinach also contains nitrates, which have been shown to improve kidney function and reduce oxidative stress. However, individuals with kidney disease should consume spinach in moderation due to its high potassium content. 5. Garlic. Garlic is known for its numerous health benefits, including its potential to support kidney function. It contains compounds like allicin and sulfur, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Garlic may help lower creatinine levels by improving blood circulation to the kidneys and reducing oxidative stress. Incorporating garlic into your diet can also enhance the flavor of dishes without adding excess sodium or potassium. 6. Onions. Onions are rich in antioxidants, particularly quercetin, which has been shown to have protective effects on kidney function. They also contain sulfur compounds that may help reduce inflammation and improve kidney health. 7. Kale. Kale is another nutrient-dense leafy green vegetable that can benefit kidney health. It is high in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium and iron. Kale also contains antioxidants that help protect kidney cells from damage. 8. Zucchini. Zucchini is a low-calorie vegetable that is high in water content, making it hydrating and kidney-friendly. It is also low in potassium and phosphorus, making it suitable for individuals with kidney disease. 9. Broccoli. Broccoli is rich in vitamins C and K, as well as fiber and antioxidants. It also contains compounds called glucosinolates, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may help support kidney health. 10. Asparagus. Asparagus is a nutrient-dense vegetable that is high in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and fiber. It also contains compounds that have been shown to support kidney function and reduce inflammation. Incorporating these natural veggies into your diet can help support kidney health and lower elevated creatinine levels. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications.